Everybody put your hands in your belly. And I want you to make your belly really, really, really big. Push your belly out. And that's called the big belly breath. See how big my belly is? Now what I want you to do is when you breathe out, I want you to pull your belly in like this. And pull your belly in just like that. Ready? Now breathe in, make your belly big. Make your belly bigger. Try to make your belly as big. Look, I feel like I'm Santa Claus. Ready? And everybody breathe out. One more time, breathe out. And that pulls your belly in. All right, let's do it all together. Ready? Breathe in, make your belly big. And breathe out, make your belly small. Okay, now, one thing that I like to do in yoga is I like to help my friends when they're having a hard time breathing. So if I ever see one of my friends having a hard time breathing because maybe he's having a sad day, I've seen some of my friends go, and sometimes it doesn't help to tell them to calm down or to take a breath. So what I do is I go up to my friend, I put my hand on his shoulder, and I just say to him, I'm going to breathe with you. And then what I do while he's still upset, which is okay, while he's still crying, which is okay, you're allowed to feel your emotions, you're allowed to feel. While he's feeling, what I do is I go like this. Like that. Maybe you can find somebody in the room, or maybe you can put your hand out and pretend like you're holding on to somebody who maybe they're upset. Maybe your mommy, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, your grandmother. Maybe somebody's upset. It's okay for them to be upset. What we can do is we can go help them. We can support them. So we take our hand, we put it on their shoulder, we look at them in the eyes, we smile, and we say, I'm going to breathe with you. And then I go like this. I breathe in, and I make my belly big, and I breathe out, and I make my belly small, and I breathe in, and I make my belly big, and I breathe out, and I make my belly small. After I breathe in and I breathe out, sometimes my friend stays mad or sad. Sometimes he starts to breathe in and breathe out with me, and then he helps himself feel better. So that's just something to think about if you want to help your friends. Make sense? Okay, good belly breath. Let's do one more. Big belly breath in. Make your belly super big and breathe out. Make your belly super small. Good job. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.